Hi, everybody. It's Miss Susan, and happy spring. Today, I want to share three bird songs with you. Not bird songs like the bird sing, but some bird songs that you can share with your children. As you can see, Buddy the cat is asleep in my rocking chair, so I've moved myself a little bit so he can have a good rest. I'm sure we won't disturb him, although he does like to watch the birds. So I have one nursery rhyme for you, one song that I'm not quite sure where it came from, and then a little Wilma Ellersiek rhyme from her book. Giving love, bringing joy, hand gesture games, and lullabies in the mood of the fifth. Um, which, if you've hung around, you've heard me talk about her before, and her things are just so sweet and lovely. So let's start with the nursery rhyme. It's about Mrs. Hen. Chook, chook, chook. Good morning, Mrs. Hen. How many children have you got? Madam, I've got 10. 4 of them are yellow, and 4 of them are brown, and 2 of them are speckled, the finest in the town. Chook, chook, chook. Good morning, Mrs. Hen. How many children have you got? Madam, I've got 10. 4 of them are yellow, and 4 of them are brown, and 2 of them are speckled, the finest in the town. So that's the nursery rhyme, and this is a little song. I'm going to do it twice. I'm going to play it on my lyre to help me remember the melody. I don't really remember the melody that this one came with, so I made up a new one, and it's very simple. So use it, or just make up your own tune if you want. Yeah, I'm not, like I said, I don't know where it came from, but it's sweet and it's fun. So this is the most recent version of it. I have built a little nest. Look inside, little birdies with their beaks open wide. See my little birdies grow day by day, day by day, till they spread their little wings and fly away. I have built a little nest. Look inside, look inside. Little birdies with their beaks open wide. See my little birdies grow day by day, day by day, till they spread their little wings and fly away. Oh, nest building is the most amazing thing. I just love to see the little nests and the little bits and pieces that the birds gather to build them with. So this last one is the Wilma Ellersiek one. Little bird sits in a tree. A little bird sits in a tree. Too small for you to see. But we hear it call, cheep, 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 cheep. It sings Here, here. Cheep, 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 cheep. Little one, you are my dear. So, this is an especially nice one if you have somebody else's cheek to caress. But you can, of course, do it this way. So, let's do it one more time. A little bird sits in a tree, small, too small for you to see, but we hear it call, cheep, 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 cheep. It sings, here, here, cheep, 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 cheep. Little one, you are my dear. So, those are the 3 little birdie songs that I have for you today. I hope you enjoy them and have fun with them with your little ones. And I'll see you again next week with a springtime circle. So, I think I'm going to keep the next one short and sweet because they don't have to be long at all, but I'll tell you more about it when I see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you soon. So long.